Triple Threads, box 60, 11:04 Eastern Standard Time. He's everybody up in it. We've been just running so hot out of Triple Threads. I did order some more. I don't know exactly what it's going to get here. I'm going to find out, though. Don't forget, we got Contenders, the brand new stuff. Contenders on Friday. But we will be doing some breaks for Thursday night. There's no football, per se, going on. NFL, but we're going to do some NFL breaks. I don't even know what we're going to do tomorrow. But we're going to figure it out. Those spots will always go on sale at noon Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to stick around tonight, I'd be more than willing to do some breaks, but we'll see how it goes. So I think that last box of Triple Threads is up. We'll focus on that first. Here's Jake Locker, 3 out of 25. Christian Ponder, 241, 320. Little Andy Luck. LaDainian Tomlinson. Tony Romo. Then you got Justin Hunter, 8 out of 99. And then you got the gangster, Gavin Escobar, 44 out of 99, going to Dallas. Who's got Dallas? Stevie F. Hey now. Hey now, Stevie. Get you on the board, Steve. Get you on the board. And then I knew it was coming. Hey now. Good old Stevie. All right, here's Wes Welker. That'll be 113 out of 170. Anybody else see Stevie's new setup in his man cave? He posted pictures to the forum. If you guys didn't see it, he got 2 of the Ultimate Box Breaks display cases. Come on, dudes. You got to see it. Vernon Davis. 234 out of 320. It makes me want to get a couple more for my man cave here at the UBB headquarters. Ray Rice. Marshawn Lynch. Marshall Falk. And then we've seen this guy all night. Nice little Tannehill. 8 out of 36. Nice little patch of Houlihan going to Miami. Which would be Tubbs, JJB. Tubbs, how's that football, man? I didn't hear from you. And then you got an Aaron Dobson, 24 out of 75. So going to New England. I'm sure New England dropped down there, right? Yeah, Shirley B. Shirley B's the quiet riot tonight. She's just sneaking in a hit here and there. So, not a bad little box. All right, let me go ahead and save